Just now I took the showers. So one of this is t-shirt. Look, this is also Leo dude. There was a one thing. A lion was in the center with a headphone on it. So, and behind it, it was colorful like this one. So, so one of the Leotube is missing. Leotube. Look, I cannot speak properly. So the matter is, I have to be so classless because of some classless people. Huh? Huh? So I have to give them a classless answers. Who are these bastards? These bastards who plant messages, plant marriage messages, records me nude. Who are the trans hookers from the street? Fuck off, you sluts. समझा? When I came to know those guys were after me, the Chembur-based guys who are connected to the prostitution, I went into their prostitution, but I didn't meet those women from what do you call it, who stands out in prostitution, because they will directly say, look, he is hitting on us. समझा? He is hitting on us. That's why I never went to them. I had to go outside Bombay and I have to find the rates. How much the woman is? So it's $500 one shot, and $500 they charge for the lodge. I don't know about the lodging thing in Bombay side, but I got the rates. There it was damn hard to get the rates in Bombay, because those are all West people. If I ask for that any woman, so they will show that, look, he is interested in women. And the men are their husbands. Men are their husbands from the what do you call it? The author's husband. Bring this back. So I have to play very sharp, because there was a woman thing going on, and I desperately wanted to show that I am not interested in women. But I got to do the job. I got to pull them out in prostitution. Those are the prostitutes who are doing the what do you call it, the message planting thing. Those are the prostitutes. Everyone got the thing. Hidden bugs, which are supposed to be in the house, which are supposed to be planted in the house. Hookers from the street with the hidden bugs and clone phones. That means those guys, those husbands, those men, who I discovered that those are the men. I got 4 or 5 confessions that those are the men. So those are the authors, husbands, fathers, sons. So these are the thieves basically, and those are the authors, husbands, fathers, sons, and what do you call it, brothers. So if they are authors, why they need my t-shirt? If they are the authors, why they have to keep a clone phone? If they are the authors, why they need a hidden bug? They are nothing. They are just robbers, some sextortion sluts who want to become an author after stealing, and then they want to put their husband in the front for what do you call it, for the nudity thing, and they use the get the money from the fake bank account. So these sluts are no other than sextortion racket and prostitutes. They must be having their own rates. It will come in time when the fake bank account is exposed properly. So I have to be a little classless to give them a classless answer. Who are these bastards anyways? Classless fucks. So the authors, the writers, book writers were writing a script version. Some sluts. Give me a kitchen. And when? After November 2021. Before that they didn't. Why? After stealing, then they got the thing of publishing. Some sluts. And the data is typed before that, before November. Now we get the thing. Some sluts being shot with the hijra husbands, fathers, sons, and brothers. And they want to say they are authors. So why they need my fucking t-shirt? One of the t-shirt is, one of the Leotube is missing. Same like this. So anyways, it's almost sunset. I have to eat curd. So after sunset I cannot, because digestion. Keep this in mind. So digestion won't curd will mess up your belly if you eat after the sunset. And I gotta eat curd and what that rice? Rice. I forgot the name. Plum rice. No, I forgot the name. Kurmure is called, but that rice. That rice. I left the normal rice from 3 months. I don't eat that. Rice puts a big role in bloating. Anyways, the sunset is about to happen. I gotta eat my stuff.